Alright, we're up here in Miwok. We missed our little woods.
Hell yeah, dude.
What are we doing today?
Going that way. We're going to a big tree.
Here, but the rule is you got to get in the water. Oh, that's cold. That's cold. Ooh. I remember coming up here last year for the first time, being completely terrified because it was the first time I'd kind of gone deep in the woods off-road on my own and didn't know what I was getting into kind of stuff. Oh yeah, I was testing out the rack and it cracked. Couple welds cracked actually, so the entire time I was kind of like freaking out thinking it was gonna fall off. God, that was kind of deep. That kind of scared me. What'd you say there, Mama? We are on our way to the oldest and biggest juniper tree in North America. So a little bit of adventure and we're getting there. Mamas, good morning. Good morning, Mama. Good morning, Mama. We lost Trav Nasty. He going home for the day. He had other things to attend to, which is totally fine. We're still here, refusing to go home. Mama Dog and I are gonna go hang out at the river, probably for a solid piece of this morning. So I don't think I'm going anywhere for X amount of hours due to me not wanting to fucking go home. It's Mama's playtime. Mama's playtime. Mama's playtime. Bouncy dog, bouncy. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. We're still just chilling. Enjoying our day so far. Hopefully you've enjoyed your Sunday. Alright, Mama Girl is patiently waiting for me to finish this thing. It is whatever it is, depending on which way you look at it. Alright, we're all packed up, rocking and rolling. Mama Dog's kind of pooped out. I'm a little sun bleached. I can feel it. I feel a little better coming out than when I came in last night. All the normal adult stuff. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. hopefully this inspires one of you guys to get out and do this. Just get out, have fun, live your life, be free, enjoy the wilderness, get off the beaten path every now and then, and stay out of the mundane, stay out of the routine. So live your best free life ever. Have a great one, everybody.